guys, today we want to introduce the Loungefly Disney 70th Anniversary Cinderella Dress Mini Backpack. This mini backpack has the famous scene where her friends were making her dress to go on a ball. This front panel has three cute bows right here, and it has a front exterior zipper pocket where you can put your stuff in here, and it has a scissor charm zipper pull. This bag also has two side pockets where it also has the bow and a top handle made with tape measure and dual padded shoulder strap with partial tape measure contrast. The back of the backpack has a logo plaque and also embroidered of Gus right here. Isn't he cute? This special bag has a main compartment fully lined with 70th Anniversary Cinderella in there. That is the classic illustration of Cinderella. So this bag is technically sold out everywhere. LASR.com has this in stock because we brought it back because it was so special. So if you like this bag and you want to keep it, come to LASR.com and she'll be waiting for you. Now, cheers!